So this is the first pass I've made at the geofencing alarm idea that I had, the MBTA nap alarm that'll alert you when you um, reach a certain distance from your destination. Um, so right at the moment, if I hit open map, it takes a minute to load. I do need to optimize this. I was thinking of something like I'll run an API call to get all of the latitudes and longitudes and service types and lines for all the different stations, and then create a hash table so the app can reference the hash table each time rather than having to calculate distances every time for every single station. That's what's taking so long. Um, so what it shows here on the map here is the location of each of the stations on the MBTA commuter rail on all the lines. And then this green dot here is me. If you tap it, it pops up and says you are here. If I tap this one, it pops up the name of the station that I have tapped, which also happens to be the one listed at the bottom here, closest station 0.67 kilometers away. That's currently set in kilometers and not miles due to the nature of the formula that I'm using to check distances from latitude to longitude. I could convert from kilometers to miles, and I probably will for production. I'm just leaving it alone right now. If I hit choose alarm sound here, then I can hit each of these buttons and they will demonstrate the alarm. It plays for about 3 seconds. Well, and then I can if you want it to stop, you can hit the stop alarm button. Each of them plays a different noise. And if I hit stop, then all the noises stop, and I can return to the home screen with that button. So that's the app so far. The next step I need to do is to do the calculation, give the app the calculations to check if the user is inside the distance radius from the final destination and set off the alarm using using a state event for that to set off the alarm when the user crosses the boundary.